Hello, namaste friends. You welcome back in another fresh episode of Appseeker. I am your host Aditya, and let's get into the video. So the topic for today's video is how to apply the best dark theme on Honor 8X. So let's get into the video. First of all, open Play Store and search for Pitch Black theme. By the way, if you like this keyboard, I have already made the video and I will link it here. So search for Pitch Black theme, and here you can find the Pitch Black theme for Emui 5/8 theme. Install it and open it. After opening the app, here you can find two versions, that is install version 1 or install version 2. Install any of this version. I'll install version 1. After tapping it, as you can see, the theme is installing. Let's wait for a while as theme has installed. Now directly go on to the themes application on your Play Store on your Honor 8X and go into my themes. By going my themes, here you will find the Pitch Black theme. Open it and apply the theme. As you can see, this theme really looks gorgeous and it is totally black. Even the icons are beautiful. Let me show you. The notification panel is totally black. Also the settings is black. Let me reduce the brightness so you can see. As you can see, the settings panel is totally black. Even the dialer is black. And this is the best theme available for Honor 8X right now, the best dark theme. So this was the video, guys. If you like the video, subscribe my channel and press the bell notification. I'll be posting more such Honor 8X and app related videos in future. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.